Hi, I'm Colton Rogers, guys. Keep on trapping, Chevy gang.
What is up, trappers? We're here at my brother's house back there. You can see we got the TrapBlazer. We have something in the back, little project. But check this out. This is what we got for our project coming up. All right, guys, this is what we got. This is what we picked up. We picked these up for the front seats. That's what they're supposed to look like. It says it fits most vehicles and that it's airbag safe. We'll see how that goes. These are for the back. Just plain black set. It's supposed to be heavy duty truck rear seat covers. Well, we'll see how universal they are. It's by Dickies, so we'll see. We'll see how they turn out. We're gonna have some help. Jamie Sue, she's gonna help us. We're gonna put these seat covers in. Are you excited? Yeah. We're gonna do seat covers. Are you excited about the seat covers? Did you see them here?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah?
Chevy Dodge, yeah. Seat covers.
Anyway, let's get these seat covers on and let's see how they look. Alright guys, this is it. This is going to be the unboxing of the seat covers. So we're gonna open these up, check these out. These came from Walmart, is that right? Yeah, we got these from Walmart in Dunlap, Indiana. So that's where they came from. If you like them, you need to find them. You see what they are, if they'll fit or not. One's a Dickies brands, the other's an Auto Drive. A lot easier. Seat covers, guys. Keep on trapping, stay tuned. Make sure to like, share this on your Facebook. Open it up. Pretty simple. There's two seat covers. Share, put it out there. Let everybody know what we got going on, what's coming for the summer. And don't forget to take a minute. Just watch it all fit except for this problem. And you stay posted on what we got going on back here. Might be a bit stretchy. You know how this goes on? Yeah, and I stopped by Auto Drive. Let's figure it out. When I stopped by Home Freight, I got some grinding wheels. I got a 4.5-inch angle grinder. And if I need to lift it, I got some of these. Is my inner wheel well here, this metal. Make progress. I'm afraid if I slid it here in the center so the belt will pull out. Yeah, it's gonna rip all the way up. I had to get a coffee, run it all day. Man, that would be a lot better in there though. That does not fit. That won't work. I love it. These have to go back. They won't fit. And I just want to get it worked out so it's real good. We got the TrapBlazer back here behind us. We just got finished with the seat covers. The front ones didn't work. They're not going to go in. We're going to have to take them back and see if we can find some different ones. The back ones aren't too bad. I kind of like them. So maybe I can find the front ones to match that will fit the TrapBlazer here. So let's get back here and have a look at it, guys. TrapBlazer's lit up. I like that aqua color. That looks good. It does need washed up. I was going to wash it up before I came over, but we skipped out on that. Oh, look. Look what's on up here.
I don't think I would do videos. Then a color flip.
Oh, yeah. We got to try my ride on. This is the rear seat covers, guys. They went on pretty good. I definitely like the black in here. Definitely a lot better. You can see the front ones we put back in the package. They're going to be returned. That's too bad. I like the blue accent on these, but we're going to take them back, see if we can get another set. Guys, these Auto Drive ones, they would not fit the front seats on the TrapBlazer, so that one's not going down. We're going to have to wait on that. But here's the back seats. The headrests are up there. I like the black. Definitely a lot better. We'll get these done up soon, and we'll be back to check that out.
stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.